Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X and I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the power saving mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the light button to open the controls menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through the menu by using the up or down buttons, like that. You can also use the touchscreen to scroll through the menu. Now, select the option called Battery Saver, the battery icon right here, and as you can see, it's off. It says Battery Saver off, and we have 19 days of battery. You can enable the battery saver by pressing the Start/Stop button or by tapping on the icon, like this. And to disable the battery saver, of course, select the icon again and you can tap on it or press the Start/Stop button. You can also enable the battery saver through settings. So to do it, press and hold the Up/Menu button to open the menu. Scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the Power Manager option. Tap on it and here tap on Battery Saver. Now we have a status option, and to enable the battery saver, tap on status to switch it to on, and to disable it, tap on it again to switch it to off. You can also scroll down and tap on edit, and here you can customize which features are disabled and enabled when the power saving mode is enabled. And we have watch face. We can switch it to don't change or low power. Next we have music, and we can either allow it or disable it. Then we have phone, and we can don't change it or disconnect. So basically, if the power saving mode is enabled, it's gonna disconnect from your phone. Then we have Wi-Fi, and again we can don't change it or disconnect. Next we have activity tracking, and we can don't change or turn off. Then we have wrist heart rate, and you can don't change or turn off, basically whatever you want. And at the bottom we have backlight, and again you can turn it off or keep it unchanged. And of course, I didn't mention it, but on some features, for example heart rate, you have estimated time. So if I keep it enabled, when the power saving mode is enabled, it's gonna the battery will last 14 less days. This is a prediction, but around 14 less days basically. And if you keep it off, it's gonna be plus 14 days. And then you can press back button to go back to the battery saver options. And here we have also battery alert. This option basically, you can change the when are you gonna be notified that the battery is running low, and you have like durations like 12 hours before the battery runs out, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days. Select the one you like, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and disable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.